So, the car is here. My dream car. It's here. So I just bought my dream car and here it is. The car is in the truck, ready to unload. It's been a long journey. I've been searching for this car over a year and here it is. I'm so excited. Woo. This car came all the way from Seattle, Washington, and I got the liftgate truck just to be safe. Oh my gosh, that V10 sound. And there it is. My 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. So pumped. This is quite a journey for me. Wow. All right, here it is. First drive home. All right. Let's give it a little bit of beans. Woo! Yeah. And here we have the Ferrari F50 right here and the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera right here. Two yellow cars side by side together. Pretty cool. So back in the days, it was a huge trend for people to tint these taillights on the Gallardos and the Murciélagos. But I think I'm going to untint them. I prefer the OEM look. I think it looks more modern now. I think the tinting trends are gone. And yeah, so I'm gonna take the tint off. All right, so let's begin. All right, tint is off. And yeah, here it is.